How to manage hosts on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage hosts on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and then click this one, and now click this one, account settings, and now click this one, stream manager. Click on it and then just need to find this one here, hosts, and if you don't want it, just turn it off. And as you see, host has been turned off. And if you want to turn it again, all you need to do is just click on it. And as you see, that's how manage hosts on Twitch. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.